I got sent to prison in '79. I got out 2003. I tried to vote, and they said, well, no, if you got a felony, then you can't vote. I think my vote would make a difference. I'm thinking. It'd be one more person to add on to her numbers or his numbers. And I feel that, you know, I need to get out and vote just like everyone else. You know, that's my right. There's a whole lot of dividing in this city, you know, and we trying to make a difference. People don't look after people anymore because they so worried about what he doing or what she doing on that side of the track instead of trying to build and uplift your own community.